Govt finally delivers sweet news to Parirenyatwa kidney patients. The 1st of September 2025, by Dr. Masimba Mavaze. Harare, the Ministry of Health and Child Welfare has reassured kidney patients that Parirenyatwa Hospital's long-awaited dialysis unit is ready to begin operations once essential supplies arrive next week. Permanent Secretary Dr. Aspect J.V. Monganids dismissed claims that the unit was not prepared, stressing that it is ready and very ready. He explained that the facility is fully equipped, but has been delayed only by the pending arrival of dialysates, the consumables necessary for treatment. The only thing holding back the unit from starting services is the arrival of essential consumables, specifically dialysates, which are crucial for dialysis treatment, Dr. Monganids said. He emphasized that the delay was not tied to any official opening ceremony, but solely to the logistics of securing the medical supplies. Once delivered, the unit will immediately begin offering life-saving services to patients. The announcement has been welcomed with relief and joy by many Zimbabweans, particularly those living with kidney disease. That's wonderful news. The dialysis unit at Parirenyatwa Hospital will be a lifeline for many patients in need of this life-saving treatment, said one excited caller reacting to the update. The development marks a crucial step forward in strengthening the country's healthcare delivery, with patients now counting down the days until treatment begins.